Suja and I'm from Bangalore. I'm studying in Business Technologies and I have taken data analytics course. And I would like to ask the new batch of data analytics students their feedback. So come, let's go find out.
Yeah, my name is Kamala.
My name is Nita.
Hi, I'm Malika.
Hi everyone, ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿಕಾ.
Myself Suresh Chandra.
And my name is Vinashri.
ನೀನು ಪಲ್ಲವಿ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿಕಾ. ನಾನು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ AI ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 2 months ಆಯಿತು. 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ SQL ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಪೈಥನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಥನ್ ಮತ್ತು SQL ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಚಂದ ಉಂಟು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ 4 more months ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ, ನಾನು BSc ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು IT ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. IT ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಾಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನನಗೆ ವೀಕ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಮಾಣ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ನಾನು SQL ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ಕವಿನ್ ಸರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
My name is Kamala. I'm from a non-IT background. I have taken data analytics course and my trainer is Kapil sir. Is taking Excel classes and it is going very good.
I'm from non-IT background. I have joined for data analytics course. My trainer name is Kamal sir. The class is going good.
Hi, I'm Jaykumar. I'm from non-IT background. I'm joining data analyst course. My class is going in Excel. My trainer name is Kamal. Class is very good to go.
Myself Suresh Chandra. I am graduated from mechanical engineer and I have joined the course data analytics and my trainer is Kamal sir for Excel and the classes are going good.
హలో, నేను పల్లవి. నేను వచ్చి బీకామ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్. ఇప్పుడు ఐటీలో నాన్ ఐటీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఐటీ వెళ్ళాలని నేను ఇప్పుడు డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను బెసెంట్ టెక్నాలజీలో. నేను ఇప్పుడు వీకెండ్లో ఒక క్లాస్, వీక్ డేస్లో ఒక క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. వీకెండ్లో వచ్చి పైథాన్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ప్రశాంత్ సార్ ఈజ్ మై ట్రైనర్, ఈజ్ అల్టిమేట్ ట్రైనర్ అండ్ వీక్ డేస్ ఐమ్ టేకింగ్ SQL class. This is also going good.
Hi, my name is Vinashri. I am from IT background. Currently I am working on testing background, but here I joined Besan Technologies.